In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicates from your sheet in Excel. What do I mean by that? Well, I have a few exact duplicates here that I want to get rid of, so I'm just going to highlight them to keep track of them. And I also have a couple duplicates that aren't the same in every single cell. You can see there's some differences in pricing here, but they are the same in one column. And say I want to get rid of all of the duplicates within this one column only, you can do that as well, even if other values are different in other cells. So doing this is very easy, and I'm going to walk you through it. So right now I want to get rid of my exact same value rows. So I'm going to get rid of 2 of these dragon statue rows, leaving only 1. And to do that, I'm going to go up to my data tab at the top and then go to my right side here and hit remove duplicates. Automatically, it has every column selected, and that's what we're going for in this example because we want the ones that are completely the same removed, no differences. If I unselect any of these column headers, then it won't look for duplicates within that column. So right now, if I want what's duplicated to be the identical rows, I need to make sure all columns are selected and then hit OK. And just like that, you'll see 2 duplicates were removed, which makes sense because I had 3 dragon statues. Now I only have 1 representing that group, and I still have all my others, including mini chair here, which, like I said, they're not a perfect match, so that's why it left them. It was considering every column, and every column for these 2 were not the same. So now dragon statues all set. What about if I want to remove duplicates within just 1 column? So I want to get rid of mini chair. Just a side note, when it does delete the duplicates, it's going to keep the first one mentioned. So make sure that that's the one that you want to remain on your sheet. And now, in order to do this, we're going to go back up to our handy dandy data tab here. And then we're going to go to remove duplicates again. But this time I'm going to unselect all of my columns. And I'm going to go under just the column I want to match. If you have more than 1 column you need to match, make sure they're all selected. Okay, so now anything that has a duplicate with an item name will be deleted. Any subsequent duplicate. So the second one mentioned and on. Let's hit OK. And just like that, 1 duplicate was removed, just like it should have been. The other mini chair, and the first one remains here. So that's it. That's how you get rid of those duplicates. This is super handy if you export from a web-based browser and there's a lot of duplicates and your information isn't accurate because of that. It's so easy to remove them. That's how you do it. If you found this helpful, please give me a like. Check out my playlist in Excel with more tips and tricks like this. And thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.